Or two. No, like get running. Look at my lawnmower. I got the light. Me don't want to be with me. Royalty. But he got away. Eliminated him. Look out! We can get the metal lawnmower. Gee, that'll shoot affect him. Wait, I just... Oh. Maybe it didn't touch anything needed to get some golden video boat. I play it again. Again, I want to get the wet mower controller. I keep using your phone cheesing. Cheese water. They are fruited them. They are fruited them. Yeah. Hey. Slower lawnmower. Yay! Got him again. I am so uncool. How am supposed to be the left? I am too good. And mid-toe here to buy you the base. I don't know. Wait. Where about the island here? What did happen to the... No one sees. Big giant line. You bugs really cool. Whoa. Why is it a red dude? There we go. Ah, another one. Gonna get another way. Keep looking a little one. I got him easier. Hey, pink you. Get you. My land sight. Why everyone is about to say to me? How is it a little fake? Oh wow! I thought you the weak Bison. Oh no! I don't have to revive. I got him already. Hey, I'm too fast. I gotta use my music. Now you get. Pull up. It's a bug? Go, man. You know, unload my crap. Go. I got 4 fire treatment. Oh my god. The toilet. Hold up. The lawnmower toilet. Wait. You toilet? Okay, I know something beauty. Guys. Something in my line? No. Let up or did blue. Gotta check out the weather. It's ran. Ooh. What? Into my trap. I take that. Yeah, I take that. Again, I got a OG points. Well, I am. Well, I will get a pretty doing for you guys. Why everything caught wobbits? You again. Now let a big dude. Well, I'm gonna find it. Wow. Too many wobbits? Yeah. They're pink, little, and red. Red I only want the big rating. Then we gotta get fire points. We gotta get fire points. And now we are gonna make it a simple game. It's time for the time. I'm a ticker. No. Oh, we revive. Oh, enemy. We revive. Darn! Oh, I just took a hit one. Ooh, 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 ooh. Give me the get that down. Come here, pigeon, to get it down. Got him. My give me the Gee, I got lots of the. I got a big giant. Bam. DVD. Making the mountain. Oh. Darn it! What you doing? Oh, I got the weave. Let up for the red battle to do that. You again, that you boy. Look. Too easy again. How did he showed up a million times in the level? How is he person? He doesn't keep. Pink team but web. He got 7. I walked by him. Make a big long tick. Hey. No. No. Like we did took you. Wait, turned up. Maybe? How is it? Hey! He's about to free form of land. He swallowed us. Got you again. Whoa! He done got me. Why every day is it gonna get? What's wrong with you guys? to have four. Don't you know to win around him? He's too powerful. I think we didn't took your Hank. Hey! Took him my land. Got him again. You too! Oh, 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 ah, ah, ah. You got killed again. Got him. Ah, he took on me already. Why did he took on me already? Lawnmowers and damn crap, and he got shot up again. Damn it! I got the big, huge chunk. Got him. I got the huge chunk. Oh no, my game glitching, my game glitching. But yeah, my game just glitching. Bonk. Oh! I took up on him already. Where'd that be easy? Whoa, what? Whoa! What? Huh? Huh? He freaking cheated! I got obliterated. For nothing, nothing. Holy crap. Can we have to wrap it to your major subscribe channel? Open door, hitting on it. Let's win!